Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over and joining me here on my channel, Septerra18. I have a project share of some really simple paper laid embellishments that I had made, and I just used my paper scraps and my paper punches, and I just thought they were really cute and just ready for me to use when I need for my projects. And I just wanted to make the embellishments using these heart punches as well as the circle punches to make them. So I did use this size here, which is probably one of my favorite size heart shape punches. It's just over at 1 inch in size. I think it's about 28 millimeters in size. And I like this one because when you punch it out, it has this really lovely decorative scalloped edge around the heart shape. And I just think that just makes the heart shape really pretty. So that's one of the shapes sizes that I used. I then also use these two sizes as well. This one is, I think, about 1 inch in size or a little bit less. I think it's probably about 23 millimeters. And then this is a smaller size. And then I also made some embellishments with the circle punch sizes, 1 inch in size and a 3/4 inch size circle. So I just thought I'm going to make some really fun embellishments, and I'm going to show you what I made with these. And if you're new to paper crafting, it is a good idea to at least have one of these sizes on hand, because they are great to have for all sorts of projects. So I want to show you what I made, and they're really easy and really simple. So these ones here, I made these really pretty heart shapes, and I did use all three of the heart sizes. So look how pretty and cute they are. And these are just ready for me to add more layering if I wanted to, or just add these onto a project. So aren't they just so pretty? And then I just layered them with some foam dots just to give it more dimension. And then I finished off the center with a flat back, like a flat back gold circle. And I just used some glue dots to adhere that. So these are just so cute and really quick as well to make. And I just grabbed any scrap papers and then just placed them there. So I made those. And then with the circle shaped ones, I'd use the two sizes and the smaller heart shape to create little small circle embellishments. These are just so cute and so tiny. They just turn out really, really pretty. Again, I just used any scrap papers to put them together. I didn't coordinate them, so I just thought I'd show you these. And I'm going to show you some of the projects that I made with these, so you can have an idea as well if you want to know what you could do with your heart or circle shape embellishments. But these are the little pretties that I made, just beautiful. So they're those. And then so with the heart shape, just to give you an idea of what you can make, I made a few different projects with the hearts. So let's go, let me see, we'll do this one first. So this is a pocket with the expandable side. I did share a tutorial on how you can make a pocket like this, so it expands out so you can add bulky packaging in there. And then there is also a side front pocket here as well. And all I did was I just used the single, just the one heart. So if you only have one heart shape and you want to make something with that, and you don't have all the different sizes to make something like this, you could just stagger them and lay them on top of one another on the front of the front pocket, and then that just decorates that. And then I also punched out a few more and laid them on top of one another, and then I folded the hearts and then just applied glue and then laid them on top to create like a more dimensional heart shape. And then that just gives you a decorative side pocket, and then there's your top pocket. And then again, with some scrap papers, you could make a nice tag. If you have a smaller heart, you could just punch out two of these and then adhere it back to back to create a little tag. And then you can punch a hole here and add some twine And that's another way you can make some tags using your heart punches to create a tag shape. So you could do that. I have these cute little tiny layered hearts, and this again uses the medium size heart shape, which is this one. So again, if you only have the smaller one, you could do the same and layer 2 shapes together. And I just layered it on top and glued them on top of one another and added a smaller heart to the center. And these are cute. And then you can make bag toppers, add these to doilies on packaging. You can gift a whole heap of these as a little gift to your crafty friend for a happy mail. So I made those. And I also made these tags, paper fringe tags. So they've got like the fringing here. I laid all the fringing, and then I just added some washi tape to the bottom. And this is just a plain white cardstock. And then I finished that off with the hearts, the 3 layered hearts like these ones. And again, I just added some more foam dots to raise that. And these turn out really pretty too. So I made 3 of those. And these were fun to make. And these are great, ready again to add to your packaging. Pretty. And I made those. I also made a pocket. So this is a pocket. I just had some scrap papers again, made my own little tab shape, and then I added the hearts here on the bottom to create the pocket. So that just goes in there like that. And then this here is the complete 3 layered hearts, and then I just added 2 single hearts to the end and then placed that on the middle. That way it creates the little pocket in the front. And then I just had some scrap papers here on the side and then added that to the side to create the pocket. I have a tutorial. I think I did a tutorial on how you can make a pocket like this, but I used a die or an ephemera that you can place on the front to create the pocket. But I thought this is another great idea, using your punches. You could also use your circle punches as well and just layer these with your circle shapes. So that's another one that I made. And then I also made one of these a while back. I did share this in one of my other videos. It's such a cute little tiny, teeny tiny heart, a mini flip book or mini album, or just a little flippy little heart shape booklet. Isn't it so cute and so tiny? I did use this size to make it. And I'll just give you a quick look through. And there is the medium sized one here on the top. And I've got a closure. Oh, sorry, that was meant to go behind the heart, the closure. It's supposed to go in there like that. And then you open this up. And then I've got a teeny envelope with some more hearts in there. And then, so that's another little page. And then the next page, I left that blank. And there's another page with another envelope. And then that's the back. So I just used 4 heart shapes to create the little booklet. I think this is just so cute. Look at that. Isn't it just so cute and tiny? So I did make that as well. So these are just some of the fun ideas that you can make with the heart shape. And then with the circle size, these ones here, I made, I'll show you what I made. I'll put these to the side. You may remember I did make these paper fringe layered embellishments in one of my other videos. This one here is a little bit similar to this. It's the only difference, I did use these embellishments with the fringe layered papers, and I'll just show you the ones I made. So this is one of them, and I just kept this one a little bit more simpler than these ones. And I'll show you how to make this in here in this video, because I want to make a couple more. And I have these in my shops ready as well. If you're interested, you get a pack of 3 random embellishments. So this is one of them. Let's see, I'll make some more. This is another one I made. It's another one. have so much fun making these because they're really easy. You don't have to overthink on how to put together embellishments with your scrap papers. So it sometimes can be quite overwhelming and daunting when you want to make really fun embellishments but you don't know where to begin. So let me show you how to make these really quickly. So I've got here everything in a little compartment tray. So I've already made these. Again, all you do is you just layer them on top of one another. And so I've got them here. So what I've done, it is easier if to make these ones. I use a solid color cardstock. So I've already cut these out. So if you want to just grab a solid colored cardstock and then some of your paper scraps in prints. So with this size, you want to cut, I'll just show you where is the one that I've made. So let me just show you this one. So you can see the solid color cardstock is behind the circle shape, and then you've got your scrap printed paper on the back. So you only need 2 of those. So they're the 2 pieces, and then your little embellishment. That's all you're going to need. So for the solid colored cardstock, you want to cut that at 1/2 inch by 2 inches. So that's those. And then your printed paper, scrap paper, you want to cut that at 3/4 inch by 2¼ inch. That's if you want to use my size, but you can make them in any of your sizes. And then I've got my bits and pieces here to make the little circle embellishment. So again, it's really easy. Once you have just your plain solid color, it's really easy then to put together. So I'm going to use some of my foam dots, and I have here some little flat back centers. So let's build one together. I'll build one now. Just grab any one of these. I might use this one because I haven't got one in this color yet. So this one here, and all I've done here is I've just used a pair of scissors and just sort of cut through the edge to make a little fringing, and the same with the other side. And you can go as far as you want. It doesn't matter how far in you want to go. And you also want to do the same with these little cardstock, just cutting the ends with your scissors to create a little fringe. So I'm going to grab these 2, and I'll grab that. And I might just quickly grab, where was that one that I liked? Sorry about that. I might just grab this one. Let me find another one. I like to not have the colors looking the same. All right, we'll just use that one. And I'm going to grab a little heart shape. Try to mix. I like mixing all my colors so they're not all the same. Let's grab this one. Okay, so they're the pieces. So that's all you're going to need to make this embellishment. I'll just put these out so you can see. So that's all you need. And then one of those centers, you can use a sequence so you can leave it. So now I'm just going to grab my solid color and a foam dot. And I'm just going to place that here. Again, if you hear a strange noise, it's my little Maltese is a loud snorer. All right, so I've got a couple of foam dots, and I'm going to place that on the printed layered piece. I'm just going to center that in the middle like that. So that's part's done. Then I'll grab these 3 pieces, and I'm going to start with the middle piece, which is the circle, another foam dot. just place that here. This one didn't punch out as well, but that's okay. And then I've got a smaller square foam dot. And I'm going to place that in the middle, put it just there. So I just wanted to, it's actually bothering me seeing that circle, but that's okay. This one. So anyway, so that's what I've done there. Now I'm just going to place one of these little centers. And I've got, these are the glue dots by Glue Dots. And their glue dots are really, really strong, like working with these. So I'm just going to put that on like that, then take it out. So there we go, that completes my little circle medallion, if you want to call it that. And then all I'm going to do now is I'm going to place that on here like that. So that I'm going to add another foam square. I'm going to place that in the middle. I like to place it there first instead of on the back of the focal piece. That way I know where I'm going to place it in the middle. And now I'll just place that. I'll bring it up so you can see. Place that in the middle. And there we go. Really simple, quick embellishment. And that's just another simple way to start your embellishing, and then you can just keep adding more layers and layers. If you want to add more dimensional, you can add some twine, you can add all sorts of other pieces, word sentiments, and then these are just ready for you to add to your projects. So I just wanted to share with you my fun little paper laid embellishments that I made using my punches, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.